Having issues with WhatsApp on Android can be frustrating, especially when you're chatting with someone important. In this video, we'll show you simple ways to fix common WhatsApp problems on Android. Part 1. Preparations for fixing WhatsApp issues. Back up WhatsApp first to avoid losing messages, contacts, or photos. Use Android Data Recovery to save and restore your data, even from a broken phone. Step 1. Run the software and link your Android phone to a computer with a USB cable. When the main interface appears, you can select the Android Data Recovery mode. Step 2. Once the connected device is detected, choose the WhatsApp folder and click on the next option to begin scanning. Here, you will need to root your phone. Step 3. When the scanning process ends, you can click on WhatsApp in the left panel to locate and preview its detailed information. Then you can check all the files that you want to back up and hit recover to save them on your computer. Part 2 to 10 common WhatsApp problems and their solutions. Case 1. Crashes. WhatsApp closes unexpectedly. Fix by reinstalling the app, updating Android, restarting phone app, clearing storage. Case 2. Won't work. Messages or media won't load. Fix by using stable Wi-Fi data, toggling airplane mode. Case 3. Facebook crashes. WhatsApp may break after syncing with Facebook. Fix. Disable Facebook photo sync. Turn off upload contacts. Case 4. Old version. Update WhatsApp to avoid issues. Google Play manage apps and device update. Case 5. Cannot connect. WhatsApp can't send or receive messages due to network issues. Fix by update WhatsApp and check internet connection. Ensure task killer apps aren't blocking it. Clear cache or data settings apps WhatsApp or reinstall the app. Case 6. Contacts not recognized. If WhatsApp can't find contacts, add correct numbers. Ensure contacts are visible. Set contact groups to visible in your list. Case 7. Messages not sending receiving. Fix by enable background data. Disable data saver or low data mode. Check WhatsApp permissions SMS, contacts, network. Case 8. Media not downloading. Fix by enable storage permission. Ensure enough storage. Disable VPN or proxy. Case 9. Notifications not working. Fix by turn off battery optimization for WhatsApp. Enable all WhatsApp notifications. Disable do not disturb mode. Case 10. Backup stuck. Fix by log into the correct Google or Apple ID. Use strong Wi-Fi and plug in phone. Clear WhatsApp cache Android or restart device iPhone.